How do you feel?
Very, very happy. I'm very happy for him. Finally, the truth always prevails. What's most important is that he has come out without signing the conditions. This is unprecedented, and we are very glad for him.
How you felt when first time you heard the news? I mean, how you know it's going to be released? Where you heard the news? First time, எப்படி ஒரு news வந்துச்சு?
Shaidas rang me and told me when I was sending my daughter on the way to school, and he called me. I said, can't be, not Kumar, definitely not Uday Kumar. He said, no, he's quite sure Uday Kumar is going to be released. And I told my daughter that Peripa is going to be released. So immediate reaction, does that mean my father will be back as well? I said, I do not know. She said, I think so. If Peripa is back, I'm sure my father will be back.
Yes,
Of course. Did you cry? Who, me? Yeah, I did cry.
So you called how? You spoke to Veda after that?
Yeah, I spoke to him. He said he's already got the news. I immediately called my husband and told him that he's going to be released. He said, yeah, he heard about it and he was about to call me as well. And he said, I can't believe this. It's very good. Finally he is out. Very, very happy for him. And I hugged my daughter. Immediately I stopped my car on the side, pulled over my car. I hugged my daughter and I kissed her and I said, Peripa is going to be out soon. And she was very happy as well.
So what you all prepared for him? You all cooked anything?
Yeah, he loves mutton curry. Cooked mutton curry for him.
And then?
And idli, I think. Idli and mutton curry. Yeah. Thank you.